Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a quick and easy smoothie. To start, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of your chosen liquid, like water or almond milk, and 1 cup of fruit. Always add your liquid to the blender first. This helps everything mix smoothly. Don't forget to include a source of protein or healthy fats, such as yogurt or avocado, to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, let us talk about selecting your ingredients. For a delicious base, choose 1 to 2 cups of your favorite fresh or frozen fruits. Adding a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale is an excellent way to boost nutrients without altering the taste much. For an extra creamy texture and healthy fats, consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a few almonds. Once your ingredients are in the blender, it is time to blend. Start on a low setting to gently break down any larger pieces of fruit or ice. Then, gradually increase the speed to high until your smoothie reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. If it seems too thick, simply add more liquid, about 1/4 cup at a time, until you achieve your desired texture. The best part about smoothies is how easy they are to customize. Feel free to experiment with various fruit and vegetable combinations to discover your personal favorites. For an extra flavor kick, try adding a dash of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve your delicious, homemade smoothie immediately in a tall glass and enjoy its refreshing goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.